Hey everyone, welcome back to Car System Installation. Today we 2024 Toyota Tundra Hybrid, that's the Force Max. We've installed in this vehicle two items. We've installed the CompuStar T13 remote starter alarm system and the IGLA pin to drive immobilizer device. First thing we're going to show you is the immobilizer. So I have the vehicle keys. Let's say a thief got a hold of your keys, copied or whatever, and comes into the vehicle. As you can see, I'm holding the brake. So again, holding the brake, I'm gonna press the push button and the vehicle does not start. As you can see, the ready mode does not turn on. No matter what I'm gonna do, the ready mode, I can press as many times as I want, the vehicle will not go to ready. Now I'm going to enter a temporary code I created. The code is using the factory controls, different buttons available in different cars, and the combination can be 3 presses to 20 presses. So I'm going to enter the temporary code which the customer can change. I'm going to get my confirmation. Got my confirmation. Now I can again press the brake. As you can see, the vehicle goes to ready mode and I can drive the vehicle. Now we do have a remote starter on this vehicle. The remote starter does shut down when the door is open, so you have to start the vehicle regardless, no matter what. So the IGLA anti-theft pin to drive system is available for. You can find us at Car System Installation. You can go on iglacanada.ca and see a dealer nearby. The system is the best in the market. It protects your vehicle. And now we're going to show you the CompuStar on our next video. See you in a minute.